Hi, you guys. My name is Kendra Moore. Welcome to More Life, Natural Wellness. And today I want to talk to you about something that I'm sure you've all seen on the news, and that is about this aromatherapy room spray that Walmart was selling. And unfortunately, people got sick, and two people actually passed away after using this room spray. So, what I want to do is give you my three tips for buying a room spray so that way you can enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy and lessen the risk of actually causing harm to yourself or your family. So let's get back to this room spray. So the name of the room spray was Better Homes and Gardens Essential Oil Infused Aromatherapy Room Spray with Gemstones. So definitely a mouthful. Now, this room spray was very pretty. It had little rocks, what they call gemstones, at the bottom, right, in a clear bottle. Unfortunately, what they believe happened that somehow there was bacteria on the rocks, and that bacteria actually started to grow. And when a person sprayed the room spray, it went out into the atmosphere, and then they actually inhaled it into their system, and that's how people got sick. And like I said, unfortunately, a couple of people passed away from that. So how can you avoid buying a room spray that might cause you or someone in your family that issue? Here are my three tips. The first tip is to avoid unnecessary materials in the room spray bottle. So this time they had these little gemstones, not necessary, even though visually improving. When you add materials to anything where you have like liquids such as water, you do risk actually bacteria growth in that container. So anything like little gemstones, little pebbles, glitter, whatever, I would stay away from it. The second thing is to keep the ingredients very simple. Look at the back of the bottle. It's really simple to create a room spray. Let me show you. You have your spray bottle. Water is often included, and for the water, it should be like a purified type of water. And then you have, of course, your essential oils, whatever essential oils you put in. And then in order for the oils and the water to mix more evenly, so when you spray it, you have that long-lasting spray, I often use a vegetable glycerin additive to my sprays, okay? So if you look at the back of a room spray bottle, you see a lot of ingredients, complicated ingredients. I would stay away from it. Do yourself a favor and even look up those ingredients on your phone before you purchase. That way you know what you are actually ingesting into your body through your nostrils, okay? So then the third thing is to avoid fragrance. So when you look at the back of a bottle, oftentimes it might say like peppermint fragrance, eucalyptus fragrance, rose fragrance. Well, fragrance actually does not mean it's an essential oil. What fragrance means is that it was chemically derived in order to smell like what they have on the label. And we don't know what chemicals are put together to put in that smell. The CDC actually does not require companies to list out all of those ingredients, so they kind of combine it under the label of fragrance, okay? So again, my three tips: avoid room sprays with unnecessary materials, keep the ingredients simple. So on the back of the bottle, it should be very simple. And then the third thing is avoid fragrant room sprays, all right? So if you guys have any other questions about aromatherapy or essential oils or natural health and wellness, feel free to reach out to me. In the meantime, please click like, share this video. It may bless someone else that you know. And I will see you guys next week. Thanks for joining.